I just finished my third post out of 6, and I'll walk you through and show you what I do to each post. So on each post I've got a top tenon. The plate goes right here. Will sit right on top of that tenon. And then I've got my wedged half dovetail tenon. This is a through tenon. You can see all the way through it. You can see the shape on the inside. It's a dovetail. And then my my tie beam here is a half dovetail. You can see that shape. So this will go into that mortise, this tenon. And this right here will sit on this ledge right here. So there's that. And then I've also got a brace mortise here. And the brace will come in. I'll show you how that slips in. The brace will sit in there. And also into the bottom of the tie beam. Right there. I also have a brace mortise here that'll sit into the plate. And then also I have 2 gurt mortises. A gurt mortise here and a gurt mortise here. This is a corner post, so these will go along the walls. And then I have a stub tenon on the end. It's mostly for the placement of the post and keeps it from sliding around. This one won't be pinned. But then my siding will come down and hook to the sill, and the other. So the siding will hook to the sill, the gurt, as well as my plate up top. My pile of posts that are done, or beams that are done, is growing. It's making me happy. All these here are complete, as well as I have some complete ones here in this pile as well. It still looks like a lot of wood, but all of these are my rafters, and they don't have a lot of joinery in them, so they'll go a lot faster. At least that's my hope. But, yep, I'm going to pull this beam out next here. And that's my next corner post.